Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a harbor bridge ceiling fan not working. Full troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Turn on the wall switch that controls the fan. Check your home electrical breaker and reset it if it is head stripped. Test another device on the same circuit to make sure power is available. Then try turning the fan on again. Second one is check the remote control. Replace the remote batteries with new ones, then make sure the battery is installed correctly. Then stand close to the fan and press the power button. If needed, pair the remote with the fan by following your fan's manual. Third one is check the pull chain. Turn the wall switch on, then pull the full fan chain once or twice. Then see if the fan starts spinning. If the chain feels loose or broken, it may need to be replaced. Fourth one is reset the fan. Turn the fan off, then switch off the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes. Then turn the breaker back on. Test the fan again. Fifth one is tighten loose wiring. Turn off power at the breaker, then remove the fan canopy. Tighten any loose wire connection with wire connector. Restore power and test the fan. Thanks for watching.